Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a cool DIY thing that you can do to make toy makeup for your child. Basically I'm taking this old palette. I found this when I was dumpster diving. It had like one broken thing in it, and I just cleaned it all out, sanitized all of it. So this is the Park Ave Princess by Tarte palette. I absolutely and totally love this. Hold on, baby. It's got a good mirror. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little cavity spots. So I'm gonna let her make some play makeup using this so that she has her own little makeup palette. It's nice and durable. It shouldn't break on her as long as she doesn't break the mirror on the inside. So you're gonna hold on to that. You want to show them? You gotta lift it up. You gotta show them.
And this is the old one, the cabby.
Yep, it's all empty that we're gonna make it with.
Okay.
So basically what you're gonna need is you're going to need an old palette or old makeup, whatever you want. You'll have to clean it out, sanitize it, and then you're going to need nail polish.
Yep.
So
nail polish.
I'm going to,
Put it.
off camera, let her pick out her 6 different colors, and we will be back, and then I'll show you how we do this.
Thanks.
Alright, so she's picked out some colors. She's picked out this blue nail polish, this green nail polish,
And blue.
this blue nail polish. We picked out a glitter nail polish.
And this one.
We're going to use like this tannish nail polish for like foundation.
And glitter.
And this red one and this one we're going to mix to make like a lipstick.
And hold on, sorry.
Well, that's just a nail file. That
Nail
doesn't mean
file.
anything. You just pulled it out of the bag. So, like I said, this is the one we are using. Down here has like the names of the actual shades.
Okay.
So we are going to do, hold on. We're going to start off with this one. So I'm going to rotate the camera so I can show you what I'm doing. Alright, so the first one we're going to do is we're going to do this one. And we're going to go in the crown spot, kind of so you can see the names. You remember, you can't touch this. This is nail polish. And once it dries, then you can play with it. So basically what you do is, I'm just getting excess off the brush. Okay. And basically what you're just going to do is you're just going to pour the nail polish into the cavity. I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to spread it around. You don't need a whole lot of nail polish for this because, again, this is basically a toy for the child. I'm using I'm sure you could use like paints or epoxy or something like that, but I'm just using nail polish because it's what we currently have, and I have some old colors that I don't use, so I figured I'd let her play with it. Alright, we'll do blue in 1 second. Basically get it so that there are no or minimal bubbles, just so it looks like that.
Now let's do blue.
Whoa! Okay, hold on, because you just got blue in the thing. Hold on, baby.
Sorry.
I told you don't touch these in nail polish. Make sure you do this with an adult. If you are a child, do this with an adult.
Sorry.
It's alright. I don't want to see blue in this because this is supposed to be our foundation shade. So I'm just going to mix that in to try to hide it. There we go. Don't touch, okay? Give Mommy 1 second. Okay, and I'm just going to tap it, try to get air bubbles out. Okay, so you want to do blue in the angel spot?
Yeah, this one.
Okay.
Can I do myself?
No, Mommy is going to do this, honey, because I don't want you to get it everywhere, okay?
Let me do.
So we're going to get it off the brush. Watch out, back up a little bit.
Can I do it?
In a minute.
I want to do on the cavities.
In a minute.
Come on.
So we're going to pour some blue out. We're going to move it around. Probably need to put, I know, baby, in a minute. Some more blue in it. You can do your turn in a minute, baby.
I do to climb it?
No, don't climb, please.
Do I do it?
I'm going to add, oops. Can you go grab mommy a wipe, please?
Oh.
Can you grab mommy a wipe?
I got yours.
No. Okay, that's not a wipe. That's not what I was looking for. There we go. I just don't want to get that all in there. So then we have one of our eyeshadow colors, which is right here. That looks super pretty, actually.
Now let's do red.
So then we're going to go to Princess Cut. Princess Cut, we're going to do this glittery one right here. No, actually, we'll do this one for Carrot. You want to do the green one for Princess Cut?
Yep, let me do it first.
Okay, I will let you paint in here. Just right in here, gently. Here.
Okay. Very gently.
No, here, paint with the brush. Only in that spot. There you go. Nice and gently, okay?
Okay. And let me do
Olivia, stop, please. Okay, so then we're going to take the color. And we're just going to pour it in there.
Can I pour it there?
No.
Pour it.
Hold on, baby. Stop, please. I don't want you getting nail polish all over you.
So, now...
So this is Princess Cut. That is the color she has chosen. Hold on, baby. Next, we're going to move on to Carrot, and we're going to use this one. And I will link all these colors down below in the description for their colors.
We got pink.
I don't want to waste time going through all of it. So this one will just be like a glittery eyeshadow. I'll help you. You can hold the bottle, but I'm helping. All right, stop. Okay, so now we're going to move this around. Mommy's going to do it. Hold on, baby. I'm going to add just a teeny bit more. Right in here. So that is Carrot. Now we're moving on to Enhance. In a minute, baby. Can you get off the table, please?
No.
All right, so next we're going to go is Enhance, and we're going to do this blue color, this light blue.
I want to do it too.
All right, you're going to have to get down first off the table. I have to clean her table. It's our craft table, so. All right, so now you're going to, only in this box, paint.
Yeah, let me do it.
Here, only in this box you're going to paint. Carefully. All right, good job. Give me that.
And let me do
I'm going to help you. All right, that's good. Stop. I didn't want to do that much of the nail polish in there. That was actually quite a lot. Hold on, Olivia. Come on. Let Mommy do this part. Because I don't want you to get it everywhere.
Sorry.
It's all right. Okay, so that we got that color right there. This actually is pretty, very pretty. All right, now we're going to go on to the red, which is what we're going to do for Halo, and this is going to be her lipstick color. So we're going to go ahead and paint this on.
It's pink.
It's red. You wanted red.
This is pink too.
So we're going to pour a little here.
So we got pink, blue, green, and glittery, and gray. So we're doing red first. To play mine. I want to play mine.
You'll be able to play with it once it all dries.
No, I don't want it just. I want it to be dry.
Don't worry.
So,
But see, now she also wanted to make sure you do this in a well-ventilated area, too.
does one need to put it
No.
here?
No. She also wanted to add some glitter nail polish onto the red one. So I'm going to shake this up really good.
No.
Don't touch, baby.
Stop it. What are we doing?
We are adding a little bit of glitter.
Glitter. How about we put it here?
Hold on. And I'm just going to swirl it around.
Can we put it here?
Nope. I'm just gonna chop this with it so it's like a red glittery shade. I'm kind of mad that I didn't just do this in the first place for the lip color. Kind of filled that one a lot, but just kind of mix it all around. Do you like that?
No.
No? Neither do I. So we're gonna clean that one out. So I'm going to pause this and clean that. Alright, so I went ahead and I just poured the glitter one right into here. I just wiped it out the best I could. There's still a little bit of red in there, but that's okay. So basically now what you're going to do is you're going to let this dry till it is completely dried. It could take probably about 24 hours or so to do that. And then there is your play makeup for your child in a very beautiful, beautiful palette. She chose some very, very pretty colors. Really like the way that this came out. And I hope you guys enjoy. Bye.